Good morning, everyone. We have completed our chapter 7 area, parameter, and volume. Now, today we are going to do revision exercise of chapter 7. First, question 1 is write the formula to find the parameter of rectangle whose length is L, breadth is B. First question is parameter of rectangle equal to length is given L, breadth is given B. So parameter of rectangle is, we know, 2 into length plus breadth. So parameter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Question 2. Question 2 is, write the formula to find out the parameter of square whose side is A. Side of a square is given square equal to A. Side of a square is equal to A. Parameter of square. We know what is the parameter of square. Because a square has 4 sides equal to, then we will write A plus A plus A. A is 4 times. So here is common A, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 4 times 1, we will write 4 into A is formula of parameter of the square. Now question 3. Question 3 is, find the parameter of triangle whose side is 120 kilometer, 80 kilometer and 60 kilometer. First we will draw a triangle whose side is 180 kilometer, 60 kilometer and 120, 60 kilometer, 80 kilometer and 120 kilometer. 120 kilometer. We know about the parameter of the rectangle. Parameter of triangle. What is the parameter of triangle? Side plus side plus side. Because our triangle has 3 sides, so side plus side plus side. Now one side is 120 plus other side is 80 plus third side is 60. 120 plus 80, 260 kilometer is the parameter of a triangle whose side is given 120 kilometer, 60 kilometer and 80 kilometer. Now question 4. Question 4 is, find the parameter of square classroom whose side is 20 meter. Parameter of a square room. Parameter of a square. This is a square room whose side is 20 meter. Whose side is 20 meter. If one side is given of the square, so all side will be equal. Now all side is equal. Parameter of square. Parameter of square room. Side plus side plus side plus side, because a square has 4 sides. So 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20. Now we can write it 4 into 20 also. 4 into 20 equal to 80 meter is answer. Now next question, question 5. Question 5 is find the parameter of equilateral triangle. Length of one side is 50. The equilateral, what is the equilateral triangle? Which triangle has three sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. 50, 50 and 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter, it's also 50 centimeter, it is also 50 centimeter. This is an equilateral triangle because all sides are equal. So, parameter of equilateral triangle, side plus side plus side. We can write it also 3 into side. 3 into side. So, if we will find by this formula 50 plus 50 plus 50 equal to 150 centimeter. 150 centimeter. We will find by this equal to 150 centimeter. You can apply any formula, this one or this one. So answer is 150 centimeter. Question 6 is write the formula of an equilateral triangle. Formula of rectangle whose length is L, breadth is 6 is write the formula of to find out the area of a rectangle whose length is L, breadth is B. Now we will find area of rectangle. First length is given is equal to L, breadth is B and area. Area equal to length into breadth. So area of rectangle length into breadth. Length is length and breadth is breadth. So area of rectangle is equal to length and length into breadth. Question 7. Question 7 is the formula to find the area of the square whose side is A. Side equal to A is given area of square. Area of a square equal to A side into side. Side is A into A. We will write A into A. A square in the area of the square. Now question 8. Question 8 is to find the cost to cover room by the carpet. Size 15. Length is given 15 centimeter. Breadth is 2 meter. Length is 15 meter and breadth is 2 meter. If the cost of the carpet ₹5 per square meter, there is per square meter, we will know what we will find out in this question. We will find area of the square. Question 8. Question 8 is side of a square is side of the cost of to length. Length is given. Length of carpet. Length of a carpet equal to 15 meter. Breadth of carpet 2 meter. 2 meter. Now there is asking per meter square, so we will find out the area of carpet. Area of carpet, length into breadth. Length is given 15, breadth is 2. So 30 meter per square. 30 meter per square is the area of the carpet. Now the cost to cover by the carpet. Cost of 1 meter per square to cover the room equal to rupees 5. Cost of 30 meter per square to cover the room equal to 5 into 30 equal to 150 rupees. Cost of to cover the room by carpet 150 rupees. Answer is 150. Now question 9. Question 9 is, if the area of the square is 64 km per square, find the measure of its side. Area of the square is given. Area of square equal to, area of square is 64 km per square. Side we will find out. So we have taken S. Now what is the formula of area of the square? Area of square equal to a की power 2. What is area? 64 equal to a की power 2. How to find square of area? 64. 8 8 are 64. So 8 की power 2 equal to a की power 2. 2 से 2 cancel. A equal to 8 centimeter. It means side equal to 8 centimeter. Side equal to 8 centimeter. Now question 10. Question 10 is, find the length of rectangle if the area of rectangle is 192 square centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter. Find the length of rectangle. Area of rectangle is 92. Breadth is area of rectangle. Equal to 192 square centimeter. And breadth equal to breadth 12 centimeter. Breadth equal to 12 centimeter. And what is find here? Length of rectangle. First, now we will write down area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of rectangle is given 192 and length we will find out. Breadth is given 12 centimeter. Length equal to 192 divided by 12. Length equal to 12 1s are 12. 7 is left. 12 6 are 72. Length equal to 16 centimeter is the answer. Length is 16 centimeter is answer. Students, I hope you have understood this revision exercise and do practice.